Another plugin that I commonly use is a backup plugin. So I'm just going to head over to plugins and I'm going to click on add new. Is a plugin that is called, I would say, backup. You can just type in backup on the search bar and you're going to see a lot of backup options that this offers. Okay, and there's quite a lot. Okay, all these are backup plugins. I'll show you the one that I'm using now, but I've used this one. No, I've used Updraft Plus, I've used Duplicator. Okay, I've used all-in-one migration. This one is very good. So this one works, let's say you are working on a website that is called company1.com and you have just purchased another domain and you need to move the same files from the old website to the other website. So what this does is you back up your website and then you can transfer the files and upload them to the new website. Or if you just want to do backups that you do so that you can, if maybe your website is hacked, you can always restore the backup. Okay, I know I've explained the backup mechanism on the installation WordPress that time. So that's another set of backup, and this is another additional set of backup if you want to. So the one that I use myself nowadays is called pCloud. It's called pCloud. It's the one that I use for backup. This one, pCloud WP backup. Okay, I'm just going to install that. So pCloud is connected to a cloud storage. Okay, now I have pCloud, and then if I go to my menu here, you're going to see that I have pCloud, and then in order for me to activate pCloud, I need to connect this to my pCloud account. Okay, I need to connect this to my pCloud account, which is what I'm going to do. Now that my account is connected to pCloud, as you can see, my account has got over 300 gig of free available space, and I can choose to say I want to back up this website once a month, and then I click on save settings. You don't really have to do this if you want, but backing up your website is very, very important. So a lot of our websites for our clients, we do back them up in case a website actually crashes. So just go with any plugin that you can use for backing up. You can also connect your Google Drive to your website, so to your backup services. Okay, if you're using other services like all-in-one migration. So if you look at our website right now, yeah, we have actually added a couple of plugins, but there's nothing that you can see from the front, but the plugins are actually functioning. Okay, and yes, let's move on to the next lesson.